Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that we've got the internet connection, because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system updates. Let's tap on it, and here tap on check for updates. And now your device will basically check for the updates, of course. That's why we need the internet connection, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install. And your device will, of course, apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.